Alright everybody, welcome back. The saga of the SENA 10C Pro continues. I have gotten it back from SENA, a complete replacement. But lo and behold, it's having the same issues as before. So, it seems like the problems that SENA 10C Pro has are systemic. It wasn't just that I had a bad unit. It is just a poor product. Let's go into that a little bit. Gotta pay attention here for a second. Got a lot of traffic this morning. So, yeah, problems. The SENA gets itself confused when you have the noise canceling thingamajigs on. It's supposed to filter out background noise. Sometimes it confuses the background noise with your voice. So all you hear is just wind noise, and it filters out your voice. You can faintly hear it in the background, but that's it. So that's obviously a major issue. Another issue is it'll say it's recording and it's doing something, and then when you go to offload your video, well, there's an MP4 video there, but it is corrupted and completely unreadable by any computer ever made by mankind. So, whatever it does, it's not doing what it's supposed to. Those are two of the main issues with the SENA 10C Pro. And of course, you can't tell that this is happening while you're writing and recording, because, you know, that's not how this works. This isn't how it should work either. So yeah, so I'm repositioning everything, trying to make this work. So we'll see where this takes us. Anyway, what do we have here? Some kind of sports bike. Definitely has a nice rumble to it that you probably can't hear. He's got no mirrors on it. He has no idea I'm here. It's not a smart move. What is that? Not a Suzuki? It's a Ducati. Alright. Ducati Monster. Fellow Italian. What is this? Oh yeah. Well, that guy wanted to talk. It's a little different from that distance. But, you know, it's all good. It's all good. Fellow rider, I'm enjoying his motorcycle on a beautiful Monday morning in Southern California. What more could you ask for? Well, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, the saga of the SENA 10C Pro continues. And there's a chance that none of this will actually make it anywhere because it may not work. And therein lies the main problem. We'll see. More on this in the future. So I bid you guys farewell and adieu. You can get a thumbs up as usual. Out.